just checked out of our Airbnb.
We're now headed back to the port to take a ferry back to the mainland at Playa del Carmen, where we will catch another bus to Valladolid, which is nearby to where Chichén Itzá is, the famous Mayan observatory.
Yeah, and it's also close to many cenotes, so we're gonna pick a few to try.
And a cenote is a sinkhole with fresh water, so depending on how much it is, maybe you have a chance to dive in a cenote. Only if we get 1,000 subscribers, so let's go!
We decided to eat McDonald's because it was the cheapest option in Playa. I was supposed to order a Mexican big breakfast and Mexican McMuffin, but then somehow my receipt says something totally different and I only realized it after the fact, like after 10 minutes. And the food, this is the slowest McDonald's I've ever been to. It took like 15 minutes for them to get the food out. On the bright side, they have Coke Zero, the best type of Coke. And okay, so this is the hotcakes, which was supposed to be a McMuffin, but I got some hotcakes. Actually, it looks pretty good. It smells good too. It comes with honey, and I think this is butter. I'm not sure. And then we got the Mexicana big breakfast, because it's special. Oh, that looks pretty sad. The eggs look dry. I think they put like cheese and beans on the McMuffin, which is good, right? It's special. And but oh, this looks a bit sad. Hash browns. One hash brown. It costs 140 pesos for 2 meals, 2 drinks, and only 1 hash brown for some reason. 140 pesos is about 10 Sing dollars, which is the cheapest option for breakfast in Playa del Carmen. Hello.
Hola!
We just arrived in Valladolid. It's about 3 hours from Playa del Carmen. It seems pretty quiet.
Yeah, exactly what we're looking for, as opposed to what we saw in Cozumel
Like places
and
that's
Cancun
catered to
and
the
Playa.
Americans.
Yeah.
Yeah, we only spotted a few tourists around, and we're going to explore the central area right now.
Yeah, and the plan for tomorrow is for us to visit the most famous site nearby here called Chichén Itzá, which is an ancient observatory. We'll let you know more about that later. And the day after tomorrow, we are probably going to head over to visit some cenotes, which are sinkholes with fresh water, and you're supposed to be able to swim in them. Hopefully it's not cold, but I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah, it's not as hot here.
Oh yeah,
compared to
it's a lot more cooling, but
Cancun
that's
and
probably because it's evening time now.
yeah, and I think because there are more buildings providing shade.
Yeah, so not a beach town. Looks a bit more, colonial. It looks a bit like Oaxaca.
Yeah.
Yeah, really cute colors and stuff.
Yeah, I think it looks like there's a lot of like restaurants and shops that are actually catered to tourists.
but I think not as commercialized as Cancun and Playa and Tulum and all those places that Americans love to go to during the holidays. So yeah, we'll let you know how it goes and take you along for the ride with us.
Great. Campañas, and apparently it serves traditional Yucatan food. So we got the stuff that we have not seen before outside of Valladolid. So we got this sopa with lemon, which is just a lemon soup, I guess. Oh, there's chicken, there's green stuff that looks like cactus, and onions and lime soup. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this. It's very chickeny with like some hint of lime. I don't know what this green thing is. The green thing's a little bit sour. I'm not sure if it's cactus or it's like jalapeno, but it's not bad. It's a very comforting bowl of soup. We also ordered this drink. It's a chaya con limon. Chaya is actually a tree spinach. I don't know what that means. Spinach that grows on trees. And I read online that apparently it's poisonous if you don't prepare it properly. So, but I think this is quite a well-established restaurant. Tastes like lime. The spinach just gives it like a little bit of herby taste. I like it. It's more lime than anything else. So it's just a limeade with some green spinach in it.
Alright, for our mains, we've ordered a very local dish called panuchos de lomitos, which appears to be some kind of crispy, deep-fried tortilla. It's puffed up a little. It looks like there's something inside, but I'm not too sure. On top, there seems to be some seasoned chicken, some pickled onions, a hard-boiled egg for some reason, as well as some lettuce, which definitely will add some freshness to it. So, I want to give it a try right now. Regional eats in Valladolid. Chicken is salty, very tender. The panuchos on the outside is very crispy, but on the inside, where I think there's some beans, it's soft and a bit pliable, so it gives it an interesting texture. Taste it with some pickled onions. Great combination. The egg just sort of adds a different texture note to it. I can't really taste it over all the delicious chicken. But overall, very delicious and a good introduction to food in Yucatan and Valladolid.
What is going on?
Go this way.
Okay, I know. Filming a giant puddle of water.